Hi friends, let me share with you my chicken afritada recipe. Here are the ingredients. Clean and chop the chicken and then prepare all the spices and other ingredients. You know friends, spices have medicinal benefits. Okay, then I will prepare also vegetables like potatoes and carrots. These will make our recipe delicious and healthy. So let's start cooking. We have to heat oil in a pan or a wok and then saute the spices like garlic, onion and tomatoes. Then add the bell pepper and the chicken and then mix well. Have to mix this well. And this smells good. It looks delicious. Now we have to season it with salt to taste. We have to simmer it first for 5 minutes. This time we have to add the tomato sauce. Now let's mix it. Let us add 2 cups of water And we have to cook this chicken until tender. Now let's add the vegetables, the potatoes and carrots. And let's simmer it for 2 minutes. Wow, it smells delicious and look at the color. Then we add green peas and simmer for just a minute. This time I will add Maggi Magic Syrup seasoning. It will add taste, or you can have your own seasoning if you like. This is already cooked and ready to serve. Here is my chicken afritada. Thanks for watching.